Yeah, hi. In this video we will be learning MarQ tag and its attribute. Then table border we will be learning table heading, table row and table data. Now what does MarQ means? MarQ gives the direction to the text. Okay, now in this my text is welcome to Abbas Lalani tutorial MarQ close. So we'll see how it is the MarQ is scrolling in the web page. So this is the page welcome to Abbas tutorial that I have written. So welcome to Abbas tutorial, it is written MarQ tag open, MarQ tag close. So it is, the tag is moving. I'll just refresh and I'll show you from the beginning. So the text is starting welcome to Abbas Lalani and it is scrolling till the end of the page, and see it is scrolling, and then again it will go inside the page and it will start from where it has been stopped. Now it went into the page. Now it will start from where it is stopped. Now another thing we will learn, this was the MarQ tag. We will learn its attribute also. Now its attribute is, I have not written, I'll just type it, MarQ alternate is equal to behavior. I'm sorry, MarQ behavior BHA or is equal to alternate. Control X. Let's see what will happen. Now it will scroll, it will go and then it will bounce back and it will be written. MarQ, alternate spelling is wrong. MarQ behavior, ALTERNATE, alternate. Sorry. So it will go till end, then it will be bounce back and it will come back. It is just scrolling, just moving in the direction. Now it has bounced back and it is coming. So this is the attribute MarQ behavior is equal to alternate. Now next we'll learn how to put the image. I'm just taking it. Image space src, the image is there, tulips.jpg in my folder. So already image has been there in my folder. So that image, where's tulips, so it's already there in my folder. So I'll just putting the source image space src tulips.jpg. If it is not there in the folder, you have to specify the path location. Width I have kept 400 and height I have kept 200. Let's see, the image should come with width and height 400 by 200. The image has come with width and height. We had learned earlier how to put the background image. Now in background image what will happen, it will capture the entire background and whatever text is there it will be shown above the image, but in image whatever the text will be there it will not shown, it will be hidden. Now afterwards the next thing that we'll be learning, that is table. The table part we will cover in this. We'll just delete the image we have already done it. Yeah, the table border is equal to 1, so the border will show 1. Now table consists of rows and columns, so they are total in this. I had made table row open, table row, table row open, and here it has to be table row close. Yeah, so your table, the second is second table row, so the second row open, close, and the third table row open and table row close. So 3 rows are there. Inside I had made, okay, 1 2 3 4 4 columns are there. So the table is made up of rows and columns, and I had made, okay, table border 1. So here understood there are 3 rows, okay, table row open, table row close, 1 row, table row open, table row close, 2 rows, and table row open, table row close. 3 rows and 4 columns are there. Let's see, okay, see the output, how it looks like. Yeah, I can see, okay, there are total 3 rows, 1 2 and 3, and there are total 4 column, 1 2 3 and 4. Now we will, okay, little bit, okay, modify this table. Now your table, just remove this, and your table heading call spell is equal to 4. So what will happen, this student detail is there over here, okay, this will come, okay, it will merge all the 4 cells 1 2 3 and 4, and it will come over here. So just save it. So I had used, okay, all the column 4, so it will merge all the column, okay, student details will merge all the column, all the 4 column. So in this way student heading will be shown. Just see the output. Yeah, see, student detail has come in the head, like in the heading, and it has merged all the 4 cells. Now we'll make, okay, little bit attractive the table border part. Now we'll study the table border. Now table border 1, border is 1, BG, the border color, like the background color we had given it is red, and we had aligned it into the center. Let's see how it looks like. So this is the background color is red, aligned into the center. So in this way your table has been designed in Microsoft, like in the HTML. Thank you.